Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's close to my heart and, I believe, increasingly relevant in our modern world. We're talking about sustainable landscaping, how to create an eco-friendly garden, and how to reduce your carbon footprint in the process. Let's start by understanding what sustainable landscaping is. In essence, it's a method of designing, constructing, and maintaining our yards and gardens to have a positive impact on the local environment and the planet as a whole. It's about creating a space that is not only beautiful and functional, but also beneficial to our ecosystem. Now you might be wondering, why is sustainable landscaping important? Well, traditional landscaping methods often involve practices that can be harmful to the environment. These include excessive water use, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and non-native plants that can disrupt local ecosystems. By choosing to landscape sustainably, we can help to mitigate these issues and contribute to a healthier planet. So how can we create a sustainable, eco-friendly garden? Let's dive into some practical steps. Firstly, we need to consider water usage. Traditional lawns and gardens can consume a significant amount of water. One way to reduce this is by incorporating drought-tolerant plants into your landscape. These plants, often native to your area, require less water to thrive. You can also install a rain barrel to collect rainwater for irrigation, reducing your reliance on municipal water. Next, let's talk about soil health. Healthy soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of any successful garden, and it's also a crucial component of a sustainable landscape. Avoid synthetic fertilizers, which can harm beneficial soil organisms and leach into groundwater. Instead, consider composting your kitchen and yard waste to create nutrient-rich compost that will feed your plants and improve your soil's health. Pest control is another area where we can make more sustainable choices. Instead of reaching for chemical pesticides, consider using natural pest control methods. These can include introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and praying mantises that prey on pests. You can also plant species that naturally repel pests. Now let's talk about plant selection. Choosing native plants is a key aspect of sustainable landscaping. Native plants are adapted to your local climate and soil conditions, making them more resilient and less resource intensive. They also provide habitat and food for local wildlife, promoting biodiversity. Another aspect of sustainable landscaping is reducing waste. This can be achieved by composting plant material, using mulch to suppress weeds and conserve water, and choosing durable, long-lasting materials for any hardscaping. Lastly, consider the carbon footprint of your garden. This can be reduced by minimizing the use of power tools, choosing locally sourced plants and materials, and planting trees to sequester carbon. Creating a sustainable, eco-friendly garden is not only a rewarding endeavor, but also a significant step towards reducing our environmental impact. It's about working with nature rather than against it to create a beautiful, thriving outdoor space. Remember, every small step counts. Even if you can't implement all these practices at once, start with one or two. Over time, you'll see the benefits not only in your garden, but also in the local wildlife and the health of our planet. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into sustainable landscaping. I hope you found some inspiration and practical tips to help you create your own eco-friendly garden. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep making a difference.